One, polarization of light. So what does the light look like when it's kind of coming? So here's electric and magnetic field oscillating in all direction. Now I'm just gonna put it some pictures. So this is the electric field, let's say, right? And the magnetic field will oscillate in perpendicular plane to electric field, right? So these two planes is perpendicular. You'll have magnetic field oscillating like this, and electric field will oscillate perpendicular to that plane. See, like that. And it's go forward. As they oscillate perpendicular to each other, they will rotate as well, right? So basically, the oscillation will be in all direction because it's rotating. When we're talking about a polarizer is, if you put a polarizer on the direction of on polarized light that coming from, for example, light bulb, just the one that is oscillating parallel to the axis of the polarizing axis will pass through, and the rest of that will be blocked. Now, this is horizontal, right? The axis horizontal, just horizontal one is passing through. And if you put another polarizing in a way that the polarizing has a vertical axis, so this horizontal will not pass through and you have nothing going out of that. So just knowing that the light is not longitudinal, it is transverse, means the oscillation and direction of the moment is perpendicular. If you have kind of a longitudinal wave and you put a polarizer in front of that, so you put in the direction of that, they pass through, and if you put it in a vertical and horizontal, they pass through, doesn't matter what. The polarizer will not affect longitudinal wave, just transfer wave. There are some application for that. See, when you use the police sunglasses, if you put one sunglass here and another one in a way that their axis is perpendicular to each other, see no light passing through. But when their axis is parallel, the light passes through. So basically, it is the sunglasses. It has a or the police has a polarizing filters that will cancel the others, like that, right? The light comes and it emits all of the lights in the other direction, just allow just certain of that pass through. And make that polarized. Now, this is the polarized light because it has a specific direction. There are some calcite crystal that will polarize light. How this is coming, and this beams have two different refraction angles, right? So one of them will be oscillate in Y direction, and one of that is going to be in X direction. So it would be double refraction happening for monochromatic light. Some surfaces, when the light comes, is unpolarized. Let's say here is a metal, it makes your light to be polarized. That's why you see the glare on the surface of some metal or on the surface of the water. And the sky is blue because some of the atoms in the atmosphere, it scatter and will kind of make the light to be unpolarized.